My fellow Tar Heels, the world has changed so much since we last met. I know many of you were disappointed about trips being canceled and the possibility of spending the rest of your semester away from school. We are all learning what it means to be socially distant Tar Heels. I'm intentionally teaching to you from my backyard, under the Carolina pines, as many of you find yourself studying not in the Reese Innovation Lab, but at your parents' kitchen table, your childhood bedroom, or maybe in an unfamiliar place. Even though these places are different, that does not mean that we can't be creative, innovative, and educated. While the Great Plague hit London, a young Sir Isaac Newton was sent home from Cambridge. In the year 1666, a year that historians and mathematicians coined his wonder year, Newton had numerous discoveries. He formed the early foundations of calculus. Then he experimented with prisms, testing his ideas by putting holes in the shutters. Just outside his window, there was an orchard with a famous apple tree. That tree led to his defining of the law of gravity. So as you sit in your childhood home or alone on the grounds of an open field, think, ponder, dream, and wonder, for this is a unique time in history, and a time for the Tar Heels to possibly make the next major scientific discovery, or to find a vaccine to stop this problem that we're facing now, to create an artistic masterpiece that may have just needed some time and space to grow, to discover who you are and how you will contribute to the wonderful world that we live. I'm looking forward to the next 7 weeks with you. May your days be filled with wonder and your minds have time to discover. Since this class is about emerging technologies, let's just go ahead and dive into the technology. This is going to be a hybrid between Sakai and Slack and virtual spaces where we will gather together in VR headsets. You should have received your Oculus Go in the mail. The first step is to download the app and sign up for an Oculus account. Make sure your device is charged and walk through the setup steps with your app and the headset. Get comfortable using the Go and try out some of the free apps. You can install apps on both the headset and from your mobile device. The first class, we will be using the Oculus Go browser app. I will be sending you a link to a virtual hub, which you will type into that browser in your headset. Now, go set up the headset, have some fun with it, get comfortable with it, and then arrive early to class and be ready to be creative and innovative.